Hello. So, yeah, guys, this is the day 2, and today we are going towards, like, from Chennai, we will be going towards Tiruvannamalai. We are going towards Tiruvannamalai. Currently, time is 3:50. It is showing 4 hours 30 minutes. So, 4 hours 30 minutes means at least 8:30, and then we'll stop in between for refueling as I have to refuel, and I'm waiting for my friend who is also coming. He's riding his Xpulse 204V. Let's take our bike outside. At the start of the journey only, there was an accident. We just going to colloid. Today I'm testing a new camera mounting setup. Tell me how it looks. And today the weather is little bit not on my side, so if it will rain then I will have to stop recording. And here he is driving right beside me. Now I will have to look for a petrol pump. Now we will be taking a left, and then we will take this NH, I guess 124 or what. So I took a left, and now we have to go for like 3 kilometers on this road, and then we'll take a right. So 22 kilometers, Chennai Port, Dindigul 441. I have to fuel up, so I will use this BP petrol pump. Thank you. So we will pay for our fuel 1275. Thank you. Fueling up is done. Now joining the highway again. Here is the mighty Xpulse. Let's go. So we are going to that place. That is a holy place. There is one very big temple there, and I guess it will take 4 hours to reach there. So let's see how our journey goes. And lot of trucks are on this road. Currently we are in a industrial area. A lovely lake, and those electricity towers on above, some pillars inside that lake. Those are looking very. Where is my friend? Oh, he's on this side. I was looking for him on left, but he was on my right side. And we have to go 3.6 kilometers on this road. The left side there's a lake. Beside that there is an industrial area. And yeah, it is recording. क्यों? अच्छा मुझे लगा कैमरा है. So my friend is telling me to not go beyond 80-85 because sometimes while enjoying the smooth surface I can go a little fast, Yeah, I'll not ride that fast today because we both have to keep up with one another. And here our mighty Expulse is just gliding through those potholes, and I have to downshift, come to a lower speed. We have to take a right. Take a U-turn. Take a U-turn. Yeah, he's not. He does not have a phone, so he just crossed the flyover, and now he will have to come back. So I'm waiting for him on this road. I'll wait for him on this round circle. We wasted like 15-20 minutes because we both got separated. Then I was waiting for my friend to come back. He took a U-turn, and we are going to Tambaram. So I think from Tambaram we will take one left and we will leave this highway. Trichy 330 kilometers, Bengaluru 342, Tirupati 143. See, these lorries are transporting the blades of windmill. My friend gave me the speed limit of 80-85, so I will go 80-85. Or what I can do, I can open my limiter, and now my speed limit is set to 85. If you see that green thing, that is telling me that I cannot go beyond 85. Oh, my friend overtook me, but he told me that I cannot go above 85. It's not fair. Sometimes the condition of road is very bad, and sometimes it is very good. And currently I am on the bad part of that road, and my back is hurting now. I should have set up my suspension properly. Yeah, so in my bike we can tune our suspension according to the condition which we will be driving. It works, means not like I can make my suspension equivalent to Himalayan, but still I can make it very like rigid, or I can make it very smooth, so that on bumpy road it will give me more protection from those potholes and all those jerks and everything. Bengaluru is also not very far from here, 330 or 340 kilometers, just below this flyover. If you want to go to Bengaluru, you can go. And there was one accident, I guess some two-wheeler rider did some fancy stuff. Never ever try to like squeeze inside this much of gap, because if one of the party, like either the left one or the right one, they will just change their handle a little bit, and you will not have any room for any correction. So please never ever try to squeeze in those small gaps. See this beautiful bridge over this lake. Lot of water below us. Oh, there is an traffic jam, and we are very close to Chennai airport, and there is one puzzle I have to solve. कुछ तो पजल बनी है यहाँ पे। अबे से रीसेंटर करना। नहीं नहीं, है वो रीसेंटर पे ही। वो आगे भेज के वापस यू टर्न लिवा के कोई गांव की है। Let's just take this exit because I guess there is lot of traffic jam in this road, and I have to keep some faith in Google Maps that Google Map will take us to some good path or proper path. We are going inside from some like residential area where people are not used to like outside traffic, but I'm following one or two cars, and I think they are also doing the same. They are avoiding the traffic by going through this route. Let's see how it goes. I guess that WagonR is our pathfinder, and let's hope we will not encounter the traffic again, because that was looking so daunting. Nobody was moving, and we took this gamble, and because it is again joining us back to that highway only. Oh, right from there. Wait. We took a right, and then we will climb the flyover from this cut. Oh man. Yeah, this is joining with Tambrim Highway. And I guess, yeah, we bypassed that traffic jam because the road looks very empty. I guess most of the traffic is stuck there still. Okay, for 87 kilometers we will be following this. 90 किलोमीटर 90 किलोमीटर इसी पे 90 I told him that for next 90 kilometers we will be following this highway. So Madurai 407, Trichy 276, and our destination is 2.5 hours ahead. Oh man, there is a diversion and the markings are not very properly put in their place. They should have put markings like far below behind us. Third toll plaza of the day. Time is 5:33. Our destination is 2 hours 33 minutes away. दुश्मन न करे दुश्मन न करे दोस्त ने जो काम किया. I don't know why, but I'm in the mood of singing. My songs are not very soothing, but still, woohoo! Biking is my love, biking is my passion. Not passion, I don't know what is the meaning of passion. But biking, really, sometimes I feel like crying. Some of you will be thinking that I'm exaggerating, but whenever you will be in your lowest point of your life, and not even biking, if you have any hobby, any kind of hobby which you really love, and which if someone tells you by waking up you 2 at night, and then they will offer you, if you want to do that, and you say yes, I want to ride that bike, that feeling is totally different. Yeah, it is different for different people. For me it is biking, gymming. Again, that Express guy showing off his large suspensions on these potholes, and I'm showing off my 46 bhp on smooth surface. There is a bus driver who is honking like anything, and I don't know where he wants to go. Bro, if we will get some clear road, we ourselves will not stop your way. Currently, we are at Hanumant Putheri RF, if I am reading it right. Maybe something related to Hanumanji. 54 kilometers to go. So one more tip from Jimmy. So whenever riding on highway, if there are 2 or 3 or 4 lanes, please try to ride as much as you can on tire marks. Currently I am in outside lane and I am riding on that set of tire mark. One is this, one will be this one, and one will be innermost side and one will be outermost side. So this is one trick, because most of the debris, most of the diesel, unburned diesel or anything will be on the middle part, where the vehicles are not, vehicles doesn't travel that much, and then it will save you from the puncture too, because most of the debris, they mostly accumulate on this middle part. And the second tip is, if you are following any vehicle in traffic where you are not able to, you are just watching the back part of that vehicle, so instead of following that vehicle from the middle part, just like my friend is doing, try to follow its tracks, because when you're behind any vehicle, you are not able to, you're not watching what is in front of you. So if you'll follow the middle part, then there can be a possibility that you will jump into a pothole without planning for it. But if you'll follow its tires, then you are following the best available path according to the front vehicle. So yeah, now I think 97 kilometers are remaining, and we are riding from past 2 hours, and I think my body is asking for a break. So I'm looking for my buddy so that I will make a gesture that we should take a stop. So I made him a gesture that I'll stop, and then we both can have some snacks. We got one good point. The name is called 99 kilometers coffee. Much needed break after a long time. Guinness World Record certificate. Oh, it is a certificate of participation. participated in the following record event. The most people transplanting seeds is 2683 and was achieved at an event organized by this university. So after having a small snacks break, we are starting a ride again. क्या गिन रहा है? Bye bye 99 kilometer coffee. We had 2 dosas and 2 coffees and start. And here is the other rider. We have to cover 22 kilometers on this highway and total distance remaining is 93 kilometers. Oh man, I guess we went into fake 99 kilometer coffee magic. I guess this is the real one. See, lot of vehicles and lot more options, but never mind, it's okay. It was good. Dosa, that ghee dosa was very good. That crispy part of it and the aroma of the ghee, it was very good. Not very heavy on stomach as we have to drive still 91 kilometers. Yeah, see this Indica, we crossed it earlier and now it is pulling a Duster, good old reliable Indica. Ratan Tata would be proud. It was his dream car. He created this Indica. 2.3 kilometers, then take right. Trichy 202. Okay, now we will be taking a right. So that board was saying that temple place is 69 or 66 kilometers away, but Google Map is saying 71, and it will still take 1 hour 16 minutes. Thiruvannamalai 66 kilometers. At this speed it will take approximately 1 hour. We will take a room, we will take a bath, we will have food, and we will sleep. Oh man, this guy is totally out of his mind. He's just crossing the highway like anything. Thiruvannamalai temple, and now we have to decide where should we go, because temple is straight and temple is that way straight, and map is taking us on this side. Let's check. Stay tuned. Yeah, so we have arrived into Thiruvannamalai city. The temple is like nearby, I think 1 or 2 kilometers, but now this bypass is taking us into the city, and oh man, so we will go to the city, we will look for our accommodation, and we will change these clothes and we will take a bath. I'm too much drenched into my sweat, तो पसीने से हाल बेहाल. So it was a fun ride. 4 hours, 200 kilometers approx. Not good, but also not bad. So yeah, we have arrived into the city according to the Google map, but it is not looking like a city, more like a village. Where are the shops? Everything is closed. We need hotel. Where will we get one? Okay, so we are somewhere looking for a hotel. According to Google, we are on the spot. पहुंच गए हम. होटल देखने पड़ेंगे अब. So here we are in the streets of Tiruvannamalai. We just had our dinner in some Sai Baba temple, Sai Baba eatery, pure veg, and now we are going back to our hotel room. Lot of devotees roaming on the streets, eating their dinner, and I think this is a bus stop. And early in the morning we will go to the temple and let's see how it goes.